Repotting a plant should help it grow. But for most people it's the moment the plant starts dying. Leaves drop. Growth stops. Sometimes, it never recovers. So what went wrong? Today, I'll show you exactly how to repot your plants without damaging roots even if you've never done it before. And there's one small mistake almost everyone makes during repotting. That silently damages the plant. I'll show you exactly what it is in a moment. Part 1. When should you repot? Only repot when needed. Signs: roots coming out of drainage holes. Also if the soil dries too fast, or if growth completely stops. Listen closely, don't repot too early. Most beginners repot too soon. That alone causes stress. Quick question: have you ever repotted a plant before? Tell me yes or no in the comments. Part 2, Step 1, choose the right pot. The golden rule: the new pot should only be 1 to 2 inches bigger. In a second, I'll show you why choosing a much bigger pot can actually slow your plant's growth. Look at this oversized pot. It looks better, but it's wrong. Too much soil holds too much water. This means the roots stay wet for too long, leading straight to root rot. Part 3, Step 2, handle roots correctly. This is where most damage happens. The rule: don't pull hard. Loosen the roots gently. Remove the old soil very lightly. I once pulled a plant too hard while repotting. It looked fine at first. A week later, it started declining. That's when I realized, roots are more sensitive than they look. Be honest, have you ever damaged roots before? Let me know down below. Part 4, Step 3, the right soil. Never use cheap, dense potting soil. It suffocates roots. Always mix in perlite or orchid bark. Roots need to breathe just as much as they need water. Part 5, the hidden mistake. Here's the mistake: compacting the soil too hard, and overwatering immediately. Why it's dangerous: roots are stressed, the soil is packed tight, and heavy water suffocates them. The fix: press lightly, and give a light watering only. In a moment, I'll show you a simple trick that reduces repotting shock completely. Part 6, Watering Strategy. After repotting, light watering, absolutely no fertilizer, and let the plant adjust. Less water is safer. Here is the trick: repot in the evening. Less light stress, cooler temperatures, smoother transition. Next, I'll give you a 10-second checklist to know if you did everything right. Part 7, 10-second repotting checklist. Pot slightly bigger. Roots handled gently. Soil not compacted. Light watering only. If you checked all of these, your plant will adapt successfully. Before you go, comment the name of your plant, and I'll tell you if it needs repotting soon or not. If you want simple plant care that actually works in real apartments, subscribe to the Urban Leaf. Repotting isn't about changing pots. It's about giving the plant space to grow. And when done correctly, you won't see stress, you'll see progress. If this helped, leave a like. Next, how to water plants correctly. This is the Urban Leaf. Growing calm in small spaces.